This is our electric motor. You can see this is the bearing. Both sides have bearings, and this product is from our CBB factory. This is for the high quality electric motor. Yeah, this is the water pump motor. Use the 608 2RG. You can see this is the CBB product 6202ZZ used in the air conditioner. Yeah, you can see this one. It's easy to read. Okay. Here is our sample. This is our showcase. This is a sample. Open size. Seal. Twice. This is open. Twice the seal. Yeah, this one. Some products have the groove. This is the NR series. This one. And you can see our steel have many colors. You can see this is blue, right? Also, we can offer you red, yellow. It's no problem. Like Ms. Jennifer introduced you before, our production is 60 series, 620 series, 620 series, 630 series. The detail items is from 6000 to 6014, 6200 to 6218, 6300 to 6316. Open DD twice and NR we can offer to you. 这些呢是一些我们的展示柜的，我们的样品的话都是放在里面的。你看，你说有些啊是一些蓝色的橡胶盖，还有红色的、黄色的，我们都可以提供。像一些开式的、GD 的、2S 的，不管是什么型号的，我们这边都有。就是说，主要是从6000到6014。6200到6018， 6300到6016，开式啊 ，ZZ 啊，2S 啊 ，2RS， NR 的一些那个挖槽系列的，有自动环、自动槽系列的，我们也都有提供的。然后 ，OK， next our my partner. Ms. Jennifer will introduce our award and our partner for you. Thank you.
Okay, you can see this is our company's award. As I said, our company has passed 16949 certification. This is certification. And this is ISO 14001. And ISO 9001. This is our O award. This is our CBB certification. 正如我之前讲的呢，我们公司通过了 ISO 1699，TS 1699、ISO 9001、ISO 14001等相关体系认证。这是我们目前取得的荣誉，大家可以看一下。好。Now you can see this is our OEM customer. We have do business with many famous companies such as Will, Glance, TCL, Booth and so on. 大家看一下，这就是我们的战略合作伙伴。目前我们都与这些著名的企业都有合作，像惠而浦、TCL、格兰仕、 波士等这些企业都是我们的长久客户。